Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to hide replies on threads. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to hide specific replies on your thread post, all you gotta do is simply tap open your threads. Once you simply tap open your threads, you can simply tap on the post you have done on thread. Once you have done this, you can simply find different kind of replies on your thread. Now you can find the three dots option right beside the name that has replied to your thread. Simply tap on it, and here you can simply tap on hide from everyone. So this is the manual method to hide individual replies. The reply is moved to a hidden section at the bottom of the thread. You can view or unhide them by simply tapping on and selecting see all. Now, if you want to automatically hide replies, then you need to go and tap open your privacy. Once you open your settings, you need to go and tap open privacy, and there you can tap on hidden words or like tags and stuff like this. After doing this, you can toggle on hide comments to automatically hide replies containing offensive words or emojis. So this is how you can hide replies on thread. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.